How do I upload content to my OnlyFans page?
Hey there! In this video tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps on how to upload content to your OnlyFans page. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a quick refresher, we've got you covered.
What do you need before uploading?
Before uploading, it's essential to have 1. An active OnlyFans account. Make sure you're logged in. 2. Content ready for upload. This can be a photo, video, or any other supported file type. 3. A stable internet connection. This ensures your content uploads smoothly.
How do I access the upload interface?
Follow these simple steps. 1. Navigate to your profile. This is usually at the top right of your dashboard. 2. Click on the Post tab. This will take you to the Content Upload section.
Uploading your content.
Once you're on the Post tab, 1. Click on the Add Media button, represented by a camera or video icon. 2. Choose your content. Browse and select the files you wish to upload from your device. 3. Add a caption or description, optional. Describe your content or engage with your subscribers. 4. Set the price, if it's a paid post. Adjust the pricing as per your preference. 5. Click Publish or Schedule. You can either publish immediately or schedule it for a later time.
Tips for a successful upload.
1. Ensure optimal file size and format. Smaller file sizes upload faster, but ensure you don't compromise on quality. 2. Engage with your audience. Encourage comments, likes, and shares for better visibility. 3. Stay consistent. Regular uploads can keep your subscribers engaged and attract new ones. Uploading content to OnlyFans is a breeze once you get the hang of it. We hope this guide has been helpful. Happy posting and best of luck with your OnlyFans journey.